Guys, welcome to another video. If you haven't seen the video that I did a couple of minutes ago, go check that out now. But today I have something to show you. I am part of the WWF community and I have adopted a turtle and I have some news about it, so I'll show you. It says keep trussing. And welcome to your spring 2023 update, Big Ed Count. So, here we have it. Yeah, so I will read it to you. So, pond for pollinators. Plant fantastic wildlife to protect poisonous insects this spring. Pollinator flower. Animals like bees, butterflies, moths and hoverflies are pollinators. They help plant produce and make new seeds by carrying pollen dust from flower to flower. In return, the flowers give them a meal of sweet sugar nectar. The wild flowers are important for wildlife. As well as nectar, they provide a place to hide or hibernate, and these seeds feed birds. Pollinators help people too, as they make so many of our food crops grow. A third of the food we eat relies on bees. Thank you, bees. Flower friends. Sadly, pollinators are declining because they are losing their habit, and there are fewer wild flowers in the countryside. But you can help. We can all be a friend to pollinators by planting wildlife in an outdoor space. This might be your first garden or window boxes outside your home. You could even ask your stool plant to plant some. Why not leave a patch of drawers untouched and let nature take over? And if you want to be part of this group, go to www.org.uk/Switch updates or call 0800 035 5929. And if you want to send them something, there's a QR code here, so go ahead and scan that and you will be over at the website. Top Team Awards. How our amazing adopters are helping wildlife around the world. Team Army Leopard. Thanks to amazing adopters like you, a lot of wounded Army Leopard cub has been rescued. The poor cub was found all by himself in the forest when he was only 4 months old. He was very weak. Thankfully, he was taken to a special centre that looks after big cats, where he's getting all the care he needs from a team of wildlife vets. Everyone hopes that he can be released back into the wild one day. For Team Waddersan. Team Penguin. Thanks to our penguin adopters, we've been keeping a close eye on emperor penguins in Antarctica. Every year the penguins leave the ocean and march one way to breed on the ice. Their colonies are made up of thousands of birds. By monitoring them closely and counting how many times they return to the sea to feed, we can understand how they're coping with the warming climate and protecting them in the future. Next up, Team Rhino. Our rhino adopters have helped us build a very tall watchtower in Remain National Park in Kenya. It can be difficult to see rhinos in the port's tall doors and thick bushes, but now rangers can climb up high up the new towers and spot them more easily. This means we can protect rhinos and other animals from poaching and also spot bushfires before they spread. From Team Reader Saranutta. Next up, Team Polar Bear. Thanks to our great adopters, we're helping people in small town Churchill in Canada live peacefully with the polar bear neighbours. When the bears roam too close to homes in search of food, they are taken to a safe enclosure until the sea's ice freezes, and they can be released. They fit in each bear with a tiny saddle-mite ear tag, paid for adopters to track where it wanders once free, so we can keep everyone safer. Team Mountain Gorilla. 20 gorillas have been born in Volcanoes National Park in Vancouver over the past year, so we've had a party to celebrate every year, and young gorillas are named at a ceremony called Twitter Inza. New births are always a source of great joy, but adding to the source of great I already read that bit. The pollution of an endangered species is an extra special adopters. Right, you are helping us protect the new arrivals. Team Orangutan. Orangutans love nothing better than eating fruit, so it's important we know what their favourite fruit trees are, so we can help restore and protect their forest home. In a place called Sarabonia, we've been doing that. We're also making sure there's plenty of fruit for orangutans and other wildlife by planting young trees in the area that don't have enough. And it's all thanks to awesome adopters right to you. Team Dadrior. Thanks to our adopters, we've been sharing an experimental device to help people living close to Dadriors feel safer. As the Amazon forest home is cut down, the hungry big cats sometimes target livestock. This is bad news for farmers, and they might try to kill the Dadriors. So we brought people together to share ways to keep the cats away from towers, and this will help keep Dadriors safe too. From Team Reader Gabriel. And then this is the animal I adopted, and this is him out in the wild today. That's him. That's my baby boy. And this is what it says. Superstorm swimmers. Marine turtles are well adapted to life on the move. Green turtles can hold their breath for as long as 5 hours. Almost the only turtle leaves the sea is when the females return to the beach where they were born to lay eggs. Over their long lives, they swim thousands of miles between their feeding and nest grounds many times. We now have this. So this is the coral reef. And then this is the other side. Okay, so we have another. And then this is my certificate. So WWF for your road. I'm protecting marine turtles. Born in Pembroke, adopter and protector of turtles. Fans you don't know who. Cody is yeah, and then have this. And we don't know what inside it. So that's what I said about turtles. So they're beautiful and part of our environment. I am proud to be a WWF animal adopter because I really love animals and want to protect them because they're important. Here's some activities. You can pause it and read all of that if you want. You can pause that and read that. Yep, pause it and read. Pause and read. Pause and read. And yeah, if you want to learn how to draw a turtle, here you go. And then that's how to draw a turtle. And then make your own home for marine turtles. Read that. Then flip that out and here are the instructions. And that's what it should look like. And you can also cut out that and that. So that's what you need to cut out. Then read that. Then cut that out. Hunted illegally, so don't hunt them. And if you're hunting them, please stop. And if you want, you can do that. And you can tub it in that. Yep. And yep. Also, if when in between, does writing in between that join silence or writing silence? I'm confused. Now, peace out, and I hope you enjoyed everything I showed you. Also, I'm part of the WWF team, and I'm saving turtles. And as I read there, you can go to the website and adopt whatever you want. But they do cost money per month, though. So, peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you hadn't checked out my other videos, go check them out now. Peace out.